has the Chamber influenced your business?
Well, it's provided opportunities to share and I might describe it in agrarian terms as cross-pollinate some of the ideas we have. And I think the Valley is such a wonderful place for working together, helping each other, a lot of volunteer, philanthropic, community service type activities, and the Chamber helps bind that together. I know many a times Bill Purcell has helped bring us together with other businesses that want to work on a project for the Valley. It's sort of like a clearinghouse for information, and we all know that the rising tide, as they say, lifts all ships, and I guess the Chamber is sort of like the tide that's buoys up the many ships of Valley businesses. And it's just a privilege to be a part of the organization.
Would you recommend others to join the Chamber?
Absolutely. I think it's partly in everybody's self-interest, but truly we owe the collective community of the Valley they give so much to us, patronizing our various businesses, and in turn we should be giving back. And I think every business that wishes to achieve success and satisfaction in the Valley does that or should do it, and through the Chamber can do it.